Have you ever wondered why the moon always shows us the same face? It's a question that has intrigued astronomers and laymen alike for centuries. This oddity, dear listeners, is due to a phenomenon known as tidal locking. Our moon spins on its axis in a way that its rotation period matches its orbital period. This synchronicity means that the same lunar hemisphere always faces us, while the other half remains forever hidden from our view. This unseen hemisphere is what we often refer to as the dark side of the moon. But the term dark side isn't quite accurate. It's not shrouded in perpetual darkness, as the name might suggest. Instead, it simply remains hidden from Earth's gaze. It's a place of mystery, of intrigue, and of unanswered questions. The moon's far side has been a source of speculation and the stuff of legends for as long as humans have walked the Earth. What secrets might it hold? Could there be more to this celestial neighbor than meets the eye? Some theories suggest that the moon, particularly its hidden side, could be more than just a lifeless chunk of rock orbiting our planet. It could be a base, a watchtower, a beacon. Consider this. The moon is the only celestial body in our solar system that exhibits such a perfect tidal locking with its planet. Is it mere coincidence, or could there be a more profound reason hidden in the moon's silent shadow? Some believe that our moon is not a natural celestial body at all, but an artificial construct, placed in Earth's orbit by advanced beings from far beyond our solar system. They argue that the moon's unique characteristics, its perfect positioning, and the strange anomalies reported by astronauts and scientists alike suggest a purposeful design. The theories are as numerous as they are fascinating. From extraterrestrial bases to ancient alien artifacts, the moon's hidden face has been proposed to harbor secrets that could redefine our understanding of the universe and our place within it. And some believe this hidden side of the moon harbors secrets beyond our wildest imaginations. Ancient cultures were fascinated with the skies, but were they merely observing stars, or were they witnessing something more extraterrestrial? Let's embark on a journey that will take us back thousands of years to civilizations that left us intriguing hints of possible extraterrestrial encounters. Our first stop is the arid plains of Peru, where the ancient Nazca lines stretch out. These enormous geoglyphs, etched into the desert floor, are an enigma. Some of the figures are clearly of animals and plants, but others are unidentifiable, leading some to speculate that they represent beings from beyond our world. How could such primitive societies have created these massive works of art visible only from the sky, unless they had some celestial guidance? Next, we venture to the land of the pharaohs, ancient Egypt. Their hieroglyphs are renowned worldwide for their intricacy and symbolism. Among these symbols, we discover depictions that resemble modern-day astronauts and flying machines. Could these be mere coincidences, or are they proof of an ancient encounter with extraterrestrial intelligences? Our journey now takes us to the Indian subcontinent, where ancient Indian texts describe flying machines called vimanas and battles in the sky. These texts, thousands of years old, speak of advanced technologies and beings with abilities beyond human comprehension. Could these be mere myths, or do they suggest a connection with advanced civilizations not of this world? What's fascinating is the common thread running through these diverse cultures and time periods. They all hint at encounters with beings from the stars. Despite the vast distances and cultural differences, their depictions share striking similarities. Could it be that these ancient civilizations were all touched by the same extraterrestrial visitors, leading to these shared experiences etched into their history? We may never know for sure, but the idea is tantalizing. As we explore the mysteries of the universe, we keep stumbling upon these ancient breadcrumbs, suggesting that we might not be alone in this vast cosmos. Could these ancient civilizations have been in contact with beings not of this world? If aliens did visit our ancient ancestors, where did they come from? It's a question that has sparked countless debates and even more theories. Today, let's explore a couple of these theories about the possible origins of extraterrestrial life. First, there's the Drake equation. Named after astrophysicist Frank Drake, this equation isn't designed to give a precise number of civilizations out there. Instead, It's a tool for considering the vast number of variables that would affect the likelihood of extraterrestrial life. Factors such as the rate of star formation, the number of those stars with planetary systems, and the lifespan of technologically advanced civilizations all come into play. The Drake equation is a sobering reminder that even in the enormity of the universe, the emergence of life might be a profoundly rare event. Then there's the theory of panspermia. This suggests that life on Earth might not have originated here at all. Instead, panspermia proposes that microbial life could have traveled on comets or meteorites, surviving the harsh conditions of space before crash landing on a new planet. If this theory holds true, it's entirely possible that the same process could have happened elsewhere in the cosmos, seeding life on other planets. When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing just a tiny fraction of the universe. Even within our own Milky Way galaxy, there are estimated to be around 400 billion stars, many with their own planets. And remember, the Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. That's an almost inconceivable number of potential homes for alien life. So while we haven't yet found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, the vastness of the universe makes it seem more than plausible. The universe is vast and unexplored, so the possibility of alien life is more plausible than you might think. Are we alone, or have we been under watchful eyes since the dawn of our civilization? This question has sparked intrigue and curiosity for ages, leading us down the rabbit hole of unexplained phenomena and possible extraterrestrial surveillance. Imagine for a moment a civilization far more advanced than ours, capable of interstellar travel, watching over us like a scientist observes an ant farm. Over centuries, there have been countless theories suggesting just this, that we humanity are not alone and that we've been under observation, possibly even influenced by these otherworldly beings. Take, for instance, the numerous UFO sightings reported across the globe. These occurrences date back centuries, with cave paintings and ancient texts depicting strange objects in the sky. Fast forward to the present day, and we are still reporting unidentified objects that defy our understanding of physics and aerodynamics. Are these simply misinterpretations of natural phenomena, experimental aircraft, or could they be something more? Then there's the matter of crop circles, intricate designs appearing overnight in fields worldwide. While many are hoaxes, some are so complex and precise that they baffle scientists. Could these be the markings of alien surveillance, a coded message for us to decipher? And let's not forget the mysterious disappearances and anomalies associated with the Bermuda Triangle and other similar locations around the world. Ships and planes vanishing without a trace, strange magnetic anomalies, and unexplained phenomena that seem to defy logic. Could these areas be hotspots for alien activity, a gateway to their world, or a focal point of their surveillance? As we delve into these mysteries, we must keep an open mind, for the truth may be far stranger than we can imagine. Are these mere coincidences, or are they signs that we are part of a much larger intergalactic community? This question may remain unanswered for now, but it continues to fuel our curiosity and our search for the truth. Could these unexplained occurrences be proof of alien surveillance? As we gaze up at the stars, we can't help but wonder. Our ancestors told stories of strange beings and visitors from the sky. Were these mere myths or something more? Dive into the vast ocean of world folklore and you'll find a multitude of tales spun around otherworldly beings. From the ancient Aboriginal lore of Australia to the Norse sagas of Scandinavia, narratives of strange entities descending from the stars have echoed throughout the ages. Consider the Aboriginal Dreamtime stories, where the Wandjina were revered as cloud and rain spirits who painted their own images on cave walls and disappeared back into the sky. Or the tales of the Dogon people of Mali, who have held a centuries-old belief in the existence of a dwarf star invisible to the naked eye, a fact that modern science only confirmed in the early 20th century. Then there's the Scandinavian folklore, rich with tales of the elves known as light folk, who were said to have descended from the sky on a beam of light. And let's not forget the Irish legends of the Tuatha De Danann, a mystical race said to have arrived in Ireland in dark clouds and settled on the high hills of the land. These stories, diverse as they are, share uncanny similarities. They speak of beings from the heavens, advanced knowledge, and mysterious disappearances. Could these tales be mere flights of fancy, or might they hold grains of truth? Could our ancestors have been trying to make sense of encounters with extraterrestrial life using the language and symbols of their time? This isn't about proving the existence of aliens, it's about exploring the possibilities, about considering the idea that our ancestors might have had interactions with beings from other worlds. After all, in a universe so vast, could we really be alone? These ancient legends may hold more truth than we could ever imagine.